The Lychee Martini, another one of those vodka-based drinks from the sort of the 2000s. I'm going to show you my recipe for 2020. It's absolutely delicious. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman, and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite drinks. Right, the Lychee Martini. One of those classic, I've always termed it as a vodka based drink. I know a lot of bars used to do this with gin, and some gins would work exceptionally well. However, I've always done vodka in my Lychee Martinis, and I just they're kind of like a guilty pleasure because I do love lychee juice as well. I'm going to show you my recipe. It is kind of a little flipped with a new ingredient that's been around for the last couple of years, but I'm going to get into it now for you. So we're going to serve it up in a martini glass. So I'm just going to chill this down. Now I'm going to make it in a cocktail shaker. So we've got the glass part of a cocktail shaker there. Right, first ingredient, vodka. Now, as I say, some bars use gin. There's nothing wrong with that at all. I'm not sure what the original recipe is. I've always known it as a vodka based though. 25ml, that's all, 25ml. Any decent sort of plain vodka would do for this. There we go, 25ml plain vodka. The next ingredient is lychee. Now this is a blast from the past. Cocktail Lychee Liqueur is absolutely delicious. 20% ABV, been around for years. I think it's the main lychee liqueur that's out there. There was another one, Soho, I think it was, that's what it was called. Oh, it's just like fresh, you know, lychees in a tin. That's what it smells like. Delicious. Right, 20ml of this. 20ml. Now, the one thing I think goes exceptionally well in lychee martinis, and I used to do rose syrup. That's what I used to do. However, there's a new product that's been, it's been around a few years now, and this is Lanique. And if you're like me and absolutely love your Turkish delight, this is such a guilty pleasure. It's 39% ABV though. It's proper strong stuff. It's not, it's a liqueur, obviously, but it's not kind of like a 15%er. It's just, oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. Sort of rose liqueur. Now, I just want 10ml of this. Just 10ml, just to give it that sort of subtle rose kind of flavour, just coming through, bouncing off the lychee from the cocktail. Now, just to finish this off, lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice, 15ml, and then I just want some sugar syrup. So just 10ml of sugar syrup, just to kind of bring out the flavour a little bit. Okay, 10ml in there. Now I'm going to serve it up in that martini glass. It might be a little bit too big. I've got a Nick and Nora glass down somewhere down there, which I could have used. But I'm just going to serve it up in there. Now, you could add Rubicon, actually do, it's obviously not it, but Rubicon do the lychee juice. You could add 50ml of that. Some recipes actually call for lychee juice out of a tin of lychees as well. But that's just a little, I haven't seen those actually about in supermarkets for quite a while. So that's it. The one thing I am going to do to this though, just to give it a little bit of dilution, I'm going to shake it with half cubed and half crushed. It's just my own little personal thing. It's not the thing at all. So I'm going half crushed and then top it up with cubed. There we go. Now I'm just going to shake this down. I say the crushed will just give it that little bit of extra dilution, which is just what I want. So I'll give it a good 12-second shake. Right, when you are happy that that's nice and cold, get rid of your crushed ice. It's chilling that down. Lovely cold glass now. Pop your glass out. And then I just want to, because I've definitely got crushed ice in this, I'm just going to do double strain. Okay, single strain the Hawthorn, double strain through the 2-strainer. There we go. Let's say a little bit. You could have added a little bit more booze. Like vodka, you could have taken up to 35ml and then added a little bit more cocktail. But I think that's perfect. There you go. And then garnish wise, as I say, normally I would garnish this with a lychee from a Tin of Lychees, but I haven't got any, so I'm just going to go for this one. I'm just going to go for a little wedge of lime just on the side of the glass. There we go, perfect. And that is my Lychee Martini. Oh, that is so good. I haven't had one of those in years. So good. Absolutely delicious. It's a little bit touch of that. You just get that little bit of fragrance of this sort of, I call it Turkish light. A little bit of fragrance, the rose coming off that. Absolutely amazing. Lychee Martini, get on it.